Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to iron uniform pants, providing a full guide. Before you begin, gather your essential tools: an ironing board, a clean iron, and a spray bottle with water. Always check the care label on your pants to determine the correct temperature setting for the fabric. Remember to empty all pockets and turn the pants inside out to prevent any unwanted shine on the fabric. A clean iron is crucial to avoid transferring dirt or residue onto your freshly pressed uniform. Let's start with the smaller, trickier areas. Begin by ironing the pockets, laying them flat on the board to ensure they are smooth. Next, move to the waistband, pressing it thoroughly from the inside out. Don't forget to carefully press around any belt loops. For delicate fabrics, it is always a good idea to use a pressing cloth. This simple step helps prevent scorching and protects the fabric from direct heat, ensuring a crisp, professional finish. Now for the signature crisp creases. Lay the pants flat, carefully aligning the inseams and outseams to create a sharp, straight fold down each leg. Begin pressing from the top of the leg, working your way down to the hem, applying steady, even pressure. For any stubborn wrinkles, use the steam function on your iron or a slightly damp cloth. Remember to always avoid ironing directly over zippers or buttons, as this can damage them or the fabric. Once your pants are perfectly ironed, the final steps are crucial for maintaining that crisp look. Immediately hang the pants on a suitable hanger to preserve the fresh press. Allow them to cool completely for at least 10 minutes before wearing or storing them. This cooling period helps set the fabric. When storing, use a proper hanger to prevent new wrinkles. For travel, fold them carefully or use a garment bag to keep them looking sharp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.